soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me, I hope you'll still need me a million years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another stream. I have in fact returned once more after another week of military, and it's finally it's actually just it's starting to not be very fun anymore. I mean, it already stopped being fun for the past, I don't know, 6 weeks or so. And now it's just stupid. Anyways, I am switching to in most likely in the next 2 or 3 weeks, if everything goes as smoothly as it still could, because my well, basically the leader of our company is not trying, is not even looking at my demand for leaving for 1 day for the info day, which I need to go to, otherwise I cannot switch from military to the civil alternative thing that I don't even know how it's called in English. Anyway, the thing is, I'm going to get out of military as soon as I realistically can, but who cares, man. Anyways, I have done something pretty cool. You probably cannot see shit again, but I have used some ChatGPTing and thus found out how the hell I can make this shit work. And I should technically just be able to copy this, put it into here. Wow. Ah. What the hell have I done? What is status effect to Java? Is that a standard? No. What the hell? What does this symbol mean? What the hell? Right, so maybe I should not just copy that in and copy the stuff into it that is supposed to be in there. So in the first override, yeah, public boolean apply update effect. Initial duration, initial amplifier, return true. Well, I don't really need that. That's what he did, I think, in the tutorial as well. And yeah, other override, we need entity initial amplifier. Now this is really weird. Right, the return super. Where's the return super? What the hell is it? My bloodsters, what is going on? Today will not be a very long stream, I can tell you that, but I want to fix this and I want to add one of the new next items, which is the colored eggs. Anyways, I need to find out what the hell there's just a return super apply update effect world entity amplifier. And we don't have that. Oh, we do have. We don't have a return super, we just. Hell. This is really weird. Oh no, this is right. And we have. That's really weird. Yeah, just do that. I don't need stronger. Colon effect, alright. Heh! Now this is what I don't get. What the hell? Isn't this the mod potions? What the fuck is this dude editing? Right, so everything in here I need to put into this. No, into this. Right? No. No, yes. In this. I'll quickly import the right packages. Shouldn't be an issue though. Mod effects. What did you change in mod effects? The hell? Can I run this? Can I just run this right now? Oh my god. Generic. Wait, let me just try what it does if I just change it to what it used to be. Instead of my mod effects. Where was it? In the mod effects? Yeah. In the mod effects, if I don't give it luck, if I give it the entity attributes generic. Why does it not even exist? Entity attributes is generic lock? No way. It doesn't even exist. There is no generic lock. Heh. Right, I think it's on the... Just give it movement speed. Says effect instance, it's still wrong. I think it's so stupid. But it isn't from this line. Why? Why the f- What do you want? Wait, if I just add this as it tells me. Um. It isn't. It isn't. It isn't fixed. Nah. Heh! Are we dead ass? One related problem. Because of registry entry, register status effect. But I have imported the exact same classes in my mod effect, so it can't be that, right? It is the exact same. And the how? If I just take this and put it in here. Let's try this again. Suddenly it's cooked. How? How the freak is this possible? This isn't possible. Oh my god. Right, what if I just give my slimy what if I just take my clone effect and input exactly what he has? For example, category, color, super category color. So that is exactly the same. And public boolean is entity initial amplifier. This is interesting. The server world part is just gone. Huh?
If there was a way to capture this time, I could show you pictures of the light inside my mind. If I could hold the magic, the one I don't wanna lose, I could say I'm sorry for all of my abuse.
This is really interesting.
I could stand and I could believe, and I could breathe clear, 'cause now I could leave. I could believe, and I could breathe clear.
Hä?
I could believe. If I could send a wire to reach you out there, I could tell you secrets we never got to share. If I could pull the letters and words from this page,
Maybe my mod effect is also different. Right, he does still have the generic movement speed, so I want to keep this color code. Specify category, add attribute modifier. Attributes, movement speed, identifier, offline. This is so stupid. Wait,
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen.
private static, issue entry string. String name, status effect. Return registry, registry reference, registry status effect. Identifier off, tutorial mod. Status effect. This is all the same. This is all exactly the exact freaking same. How? How? Expected 3 arguments. There's only 2 though. How? There's category and where did you expect 3 of them? What the hell? Huh? How am I not getting this? How the hell? We had this fake public colon. Agree. Initialize color. Super category color. The super only has 2. What the Wait, the mod effects and the slimy effect are switched? Oh my god, wait, could that, if that, no. We copy all of mod effects, put it into cologne effect. How do I do this? Copy all of this. Windows V. There's the right. I copy this. This is the topmost one. So this ends. This has 2 overrides. I add this here, and then what the fuck? Under cologne effect, I'll just add this. What the fuck? What is going on? Right, in the mod effects. This is supposed to be in mod effects, right? This is completely perfectly fine. But the cologne effect just fucked itself up. Oh, I hate this shit. But this can't be real. This cannot be real. Huh? What the hell? Now this cannot be real. What is the difference now between this and that? I want to know. In the adding a custom effect. No, bro.
Let's add a custom effect.
Yeah, let's.
Also a great way to
What?
take a look at how some of those work, right? The wind charge effect, you can see we have the wither status effect. That should be very straightforward, right? It's just a damage effect here. But yeah, that is sort of the general idea when it comes to
Because Victory entity and initial amplifier. If entity was, this is exactly what he has. In status effect.
this, and now on to registering this. So registering this is done in the mod effects class. Well, first of all, we're gonna have a public static void register effects method, and here once again we're gonna pull tutorial mod
What the fuck is
info,
that?
be registering.
What is this? I need to see you.
For tutorial mod ID, they will for this.
This is probably what this needs, but doesn't change that it doesn't have any fucking expected 3 arguments. Expected. What? Well, how? I rolled back. This is too stupid. What if I just give it, I don't know. Jump strength. Unrelated problem. And what is name is always, yeah, no shit. But why is it? Wait, I'm actually going to install the AI assistant on IntelliJ.
मैं तो खोया रहूं तेरी यादों में तेरी बातों में अपने ख्यालों से ना जाने कितने पल तू
Why is it taking so long?
कभी ना छोड़ा तेरा साया बेपनाह दिल को मैंने तो खुद ही संभाला मैं तो खोया रहूं तेरी यादों में तेरी बातों में ना तुझे जाने मैं दूं अपने ख्यालों से
Do I even have a JetBrains account?
मैं तो खोया रहूं उन लम्हों के पन्नों में यादों में
Maybe? Authorize? Yes?
खोया हूं दिल से
Oh my god.
तन्हा दिल रोया था जिस दिन तूने छोड़ा था हाथ फिर कभी न लौट आया तू एक बार
Wait.
खोया रहूं मैं तो खोया रहूं
No, are we?
मैं तो खोया रहूं तेरी यादों में तेरी बात
Nah, I'm not doing that. Well, also, why is status effects? Why is it unused? He has it too in here, status effects. Or doesn't he? What of it? Is he status effects? He doesn't have status effects. Why is it even in there? But still, it doesn't work. So now I need to find out if I can add custom potion fabric 1.21.9. New potion, new mob effect instance. New mob effect instance. New mob effect instance. This can't even be. Okay. Adding potions. Are we dead ass? This is literally the official. Oh, this is interesting. Which gives the wither effect. Let's set a potion example potion. Let's set a final potion. Right, why is this so different? This is only supposed to be. Where's the private static? Wait. This is completely different. Oh wait, we might be getting onto something here. This is not only supposed to be potion. This is really interesting. New identifier. What the fuck? Is this maybe just Cologne? What the hell? Why? This is so fucking random. Why is it not working? This is way older. Modified is 2 years ago. Oh my god, it's more than 2 years ago. Right, this is fucking dumb. Oh. No, this is not good. This is really not good. I hate this. Some bullshit. I probably need to ask Reddit on this one. Most likely actually have to, because this is otherwise not going to get solved. Alright, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. The problem is I cannot start the game until this is fixed. So I'm a bit completely cooked because this doesn't work. And the official Fabric documentation is lacking behind. Alright, I need to find out if Reddit can help me. If not, we're pretty cooked, but that also means I can sadly not really add the new the eggs yet. These are really simple to add. I mean, nothing will go wrong there because everything I have to do is basically just make an item. Actually, it might not be as simple because if I have an egg isn't just a regular item in Minecraft, like say a stick or something. It actually does something when you right click, and that is it throws itself and the chicken spawns sometimes. So I'd have to copy the entire code of an egg. So while how are these added? Where are these even added? Under mod items, we have, for example, added these. I also in every food component. But if I find out how an egg works, the egg JSON. This is the texture file for the egg. What the hell is egg crack JSON? Minecraft glint? Okay, now I'm a bit confused. Egg item. Right, so it public class item, egg item, extends item, implements projectile item. Okay, that makes sense. Public egg item, action result, use word and hand. Egg entity, egg throw, sound category, players. Right, so I have to find out if I can add an item that already exists. Basically copy the attributes. Basically I'm adding a throwable, so like a snowball or an egg. But I want it to have the exact same attributes as a regular egg. I mean, the lazy way would be just adding a useless item, like a stick for example, that doesn't have any use, that doesn't have any hotbar use, it's not edible, it's not throwable, and then just giving it the look of an egg, but without the functions of an egg. That would be the lazy way. And then there's the other way where I just copy the source code pretty much and edit it to be colorable. I have no idea, however, how to do that, but that just gave me a good idea. The potions, right? Shouldn't there be an initializing potions.java file that public class potions public static final entry potion register so that's how they I just want to copy, like, that is interesting. In my mod potions, thus just copy that at the bottom. Public static final registry entry potion. We shouldn't register. It's just called a register. Ugh. In the potions of Java, is there anything imported? How is it registering these? I'll import all of these as well. They're all unused. Right. Maybe it's just the syntax that is wrong. Vision, a new potion, and then a new status effect instance. What? It's just... Ah yes, the base name. Wait, could that be the fix? No way. Did I just fix it? By reading the freaking source code? Is that how it is? Is that what we're doing now? Reading source codes to fix fucking errors? Is that... There's your potion. Oh my god, did it actually work? No way. I think it works now. Oh my freaking god. The base name was missing? Guys, if that was my breakthrough, then I'm gonna hit a griddy on the roof of a tank when I next am allowed to drive one. And I'm gonna make a video of it. There's no freaking way. There is no way. Guys, there is no way. If I now have a potion in the game, colon infinite slash effect clear. Food and drinks. There should be a purple-ish potion here somewhere. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god! And it gives the effect column. People, we have done it. The name is something must be wrong in the freaking the ENUS JSON here. And of course our luck effect needs to be changed. Bro, this is unbelievable. Right, so right, so is that really the namespace, the naming that is follows? Is that really it? Because I need to find that. No, not custom paintings, custom potions, guys, custom potions. Translation file, please.
Translation, which is going to be a little bit weird, but it's going to look kind of like.
Actually, I can just read that in his on his on this here. Under source main, on the where even is Ian? Yes, on the language. Where the hell is language? Doesn't exist. No, it's not under the source main. And where the hell is it? It's not in Gradle? No. Where is it? The resources. It's not even under source, it's just under resources, which doesn't exist. Did not upload that? Huh? The resources assets we should have, which is also under source main. Right, so this is a bit stupid. It's under source main. Resources, there we go, I'm just stupid. Under the tutorial mod, data tutorial. Oh, it's in resources, assets. Resources, assets, tutorial mod, language, ENUS. Frick, that was difficult to find. So Ashfrozen effect slime. Oh, okay. Ashfrozen and tipped arrows. Did he add the tipped arrows ever? Item Minecraft potion effect slime potion. So we have item. Interesting. These are just Minecraft. That is very interesting. Because they're not initialized. That's really weird. It's really, really weird that is the way this is in the language file. That's extremely weird. They're still in a fucking call. It's crazy. The game is running, and now we need to find out if our names have worked. But this means that fixing the potion was me. I don't know if the crafting works. I don't know shit. But under food and drinks, the cologne is existent. A no splash potion. Ah, there it is. They're just not grouped. Lingering. Why is this one here and this one there? That's weird. Lingering Monster Master Cologne is also crazy. But the splash is what I'm looking for. So we have a splash one. We have a lingering one. Like, the lingering potion doesn't really... Come on, wear off. Also, I need to quickly add the right effect there. Right, so the lingering works only on your foot? The splash one also? Splash works on head. And lingering only works on foot? Lingering potion. I remember. Lingering potions are really bad. But they work in a different way. It now is there. If I run through it once, the lingering just gets smaller. Yeah, no, that's how they work. It just can add that up to like 4 times or whatever. Right, so these just give you a negative jump boost basically, so I can't jump up anything anymore, which is about a realistic jump, to be honest. It also makes you be able to move really fucking fast. I think. It feels way faster. This is so goofy. This is a really goofy potion that I have created here, but that is not exactly what I am going for, because now I need to find out if I can... where did I put this? No, where did they put this? The lingering. The lingering! Not lingering, the Monster Master Cologne arrow. Interesting. They are... The potions aren't necessarily called the same though. No, they are. But I think the arrow makes more sense to be called probably Arrow of Monster Master. I think Arrow of Monster Master makes a lot more sense in that way. Good. So we've done that. That works perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. It's great. Now the thingy is just the textures of mob effect. Clone PNG. Now I need to find a good image for this. Like I don't know, the book doesn't suggest anything obviously. I could only add like whatever, something similar as it is described in the book as an item. Not an item, but like I don't know. But if we add luck to this, I know that this is technically, they said luck doesn't exist anymore. But honestly, I don't believe ChatGPT about the luck attribute not existing anymore, because it seems to very well exist. So if we can, in fact, create a potion that gives luck, that would be the coolest shit ever. And the game seems to start, so the luck potion. Seems to work. So now plus 3000% luck. Also, it is in percent as well. It's not 3000, it's 30,000% luck. Wait, can I slash? Now this might be a bit crazy, but if I slash slash what was it? Slash find what, which one, what is the slash locate, exactly, slash locate structure, and then I locate a village plains. I teleport myself to this village. Right, now I'm here. And I give myself, like, do we have a... We have a lag, that is what we have. Why is it so laggy? Good, we have... Oh, that could just be, like, really good loot. Wait, where else are there chests? Is there a... there's probably no other chests. I would think... well, why is it so glitchy? It's like really glitchy. Do you have another house with a chest? So I can't really generate loot tables. I can't really simulate loot tables, I think. Do I only lag when I have the effect? No, I lag. I always lag. Right, that's really interesting. There's no chests in these small houses, is there? That is also a really weird village. Like, what other structures are there? I mean, what else? There is nothing else in plains, I think. So I cannot really detect anything else other than a village. So slash game, we're gonna do the keep inventory to true and then slash kill myself, because I need to respawn back to where I was. Anyways, this is giving me 30,000% luck, which is way too much. So it's in 100%. It's in percent. Right, and 1 is 100. So effectively, I don't know, we need like luck. Maybe we need like 3. I don't know if 1000% luck is any good, but we're going to give it 3. So 300% luck. I don't know what that does, or if it does anything that does anything, but we're going to try and find out. Basically, we've created craftable luck, which I don't even know if it makes any sense. But luck is craftable now, and I forgot how to do that. I don't even know if I've added a recipe yet. There should technically be one. We're gonna see if I can find that out. So this should be a plus 300 luck. Exactly. Plus 300% luck. So now the way this is done is by taking a brewing stand and some glow stone dust and putting this into no, I'm stupid. No, it's blaze powder, not glowstone dust. Blaze powder, and I took one of the potions that is very rarely used. It is written somewhere how this one works. The cologne. It has to be in mod potions. Maybe not. Is it in the recipe? Should there be a recipe to this? I think the custom potion recipe.
Add a custom recipe, and that one is super freaking simple. Like, it's actually insane how simple it is. We're gonna go to our tutorial mod class over here.
That's in the tutorial mod. So it's in my minus mod. It's mundane with a slime ball. Who would have thought of that? So if we take a regular mundane potion and put this thing into how can I duplicate items? Wait, isn't there? Duplicate items. Creative menu. Ah, yeah, that was it. That was it. Right, I don't need these. Exactly, and then we need a slime ball. Now, if we add a slime ball, it will brew into a freaking Monster Master cologne. And no, obviously not. It will turn into the Monster Master Breath perfume. And then we need, I think, gunpowder to make it throwable. I'm not sure. If we add the gunpowder, it should make it throwable. Though I do not know. It could also maybe turn it into level 2, which should not exist. That's glowstone though. Right now it's splash. And the lingering is with a dragon's breath. I don't know if you have to add that to the brewing stand. In fact, wait, what happens now? I've never tried this. Does it glitch and turn both of them to another potion? Or does it just not do that? No, it doesn't. That would have been too funny. Right, so this is basically how that works. I guess that's pretty cool, I guess. But I need to do a few things. First of all, I need to make a custom registry, custom creative menu basically, that adds these modded items, because it's stupid if we go to food and drinks and the bottommost things are just 3 ice creams. It just looks like shit. Also, all the food items are, well, brownish or reddish tones, except for a few things like the coarse fruits, which is almost brown as well. And yeah, even a poisonous potato is freaking brown. It's a potato. Anyways, the thing is, after that I've added the Monster Master Breath Perfume Cologne and Lingering Cologne and the first mistake in my translation, because this is supposed to be Arrow of Monster Master and not whatever this is. Good, this should be everything literally. I only have to change the Cologne PNG to something else. So I will first of all commit this Cologne potion. So all of the Cologne potion will be amended. What do you want? Just wait and push. Now we're just gonna push. 3 files committed. Right, so in my, let me quickly look at my GitHub. I don't know if I can go there. I cannot, but I will open my GitHub. Aquatic Swam, the minus mod. There should be in my source main. The Cologne potion is the newest. Cologne potion. Yeah, this will all change. but that means yeah, no, that will all change, but thus it did not amend, which is good. I don't know why I tried to amend this shit. This is all correct now. Also, ending. It's checking. I have no idea what it's trying to do there. But it is pending. Don't really care. Anyways, it's working. So thus I think we're done for today and I can close this shit. I did not think I would actually figure this out through the vanilla potions.java file and not through my own stupidity having to ask Reddit or Discord. I'm just better. But there's no way he just forgot the freaking base name. He literally did forget it though. He literally didn't do it. New potion. He forgot the base name.
0 will give you level 1, and 1 would give you level 2. That's the idea.
It also doesn't give it as an error, to be fair, probably because it worked in this version. But well, who cares? I think this is great. If we have a potion that works, then that is great. It's great. Really good. So next time will I add the eggs? I don't know why I'm even adding this chronologically. Probably because it's more interesting to watch. I mean, I have like another 10 food items or so that I have to add. The eggs do not count, even though they might be counted as food. I don't think though. I actually don't think they're counted in vanilla as a food item. But who cares, honestly. The good thing is that we've added this and we'll hopefully be able to use this knowledge that for some reason I did not think about looking in the source code. But if we now have errors, we can just see the source code for things that I need to fix and how to fix them. So that is pretty good. And thus, I think I will end today's stream because it's already quite late, and I don't know. I forgot to tell this, but next weekend I will not be home, so I will have to do a very experimental stream and a very short stream, most likely, because I might take my laptop with me, but that doesn't mean I'll be able to use it. Also, I'm not taking this laptop, but my old laptop, which is a Surface, a Microsoft Surface notebook tablet type of thing. So this does not have the capacity to even attempt a live stream. And so I'll most likely be streaming from my phone, and I don't know, I'll probably be playing some random game. I don't know which one yet. If I look into my games folder, we have Minecraft Java. Yeah, I do have Minecraft Java on my phone, but I don't know if that's smart to stream, because what would I be doing in Minecraft Java on my phone? I could play like Rocket League Sideswipe, the biggest hit of 2023 or so, or 2021 maybe even. That never really turned into a hit. It is a really nice, funny game to play, but somehow nobody plays it. Or I have a lot of like racing games. Jelly Drift. Oh, Jelly Drift would be a great one to play on stream. Like once. Anyways, I'll see myself out, and I shall respawn in 2 weeks this time. Also, last week I could have technically streamed, I just didn't because I was too lazy. And I already streamed for that week, so who cares? Also, we hit 200 subsequent streams every week, which is crazy. So I'll try to make it 300. Anyways, sign myself out now. Peace.